Hi guys, in this video I am going to unbox the Athenax Xander Pro mousepad. This mousepad is actually good for gaming purpose. So let's begin. As you can see, this mousepad contains plenty enough space to put your mouse in for playing any type of game. It is actually also good for competitive gaming. If you are thinking about the size, then I should simply tell you that it is a little bigger than the A4 size paper which you normally get in the market. So if you can manage that much big mousepad, then I would obviously recommend you to buy this, as it is under 150 rupees. The build quality is also good, but the sticker or the logo where it is written Athena is actually looking like it is about to fade after using it for a amount of time. So there's that, but the mousepad itself is actually quite nice. If you want to buy this mousepad, which comes under 150 rupees, then you can simply buy it from the link in the description from Flipkart. So thanks for watching my video. If this video will help you, then please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends.